Right now, smartphone cameras are the best option for content creators. iPhone shoots 10-bit. Google Pixel shoots amazing photos. You can buy gimbals, you can buy new lenses, you can buy a ton of things, and it's always with you on your pocket. My friends on the USKEYVISION put together a kit so we can vlog with your phone instead of using a camera, and yeah, we're gonna have a look. And now, just, I don't know what to say, just put the intro. V-Master is the name, and it comes on a lovely box, as you guys can see. And we're gonna have a look and see what's inside of the box. Rode have a similar thing, and Rode cost 130 something pounds. This one, for half of the price, is the same. You got the same things. You have a tripod, you have a microphone, you have a light, and yeah, let's have a look and see how good it is. Inside of the box, you will get another box, a hard box. So this is well made, and yes, I like it. Well, we all like boxes, don't we? Do we? Yes, we do. Yeah, so the box is well made, and yeah, let's move on to the next one. You get the tripod, and I like this tripod. It feels great. Is metal and plastic, but it feels great on your hand. I don't know, it doesn't dig on your hand, so I'll be comfortable to vlog all day with this. It does, yeah. The head, you can tilt it. You can put different ways. You got a quarter mount here. This one is to put your light. We'll see you in a minute. Yeah, I like it. And the tripod, so you can open the tripod like that, and you got a red button here. If you press it, here we go. It opens further, so yeah, I do like it. Well, it's just a tripod, but yeah. Oh, good thing, the head came off, and you can use the head on a different tripod if you have one, for example. Yeah, like it. And it's well built. It's like, it doesn't feel plasticky. It's a bit of plastic, but it's a hard one. It doesn't feel, yeah. The next one, love it. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, sorry guys. So yeah, this is your phone mount. You press it, you put your phone and adjust the width of the phone, and that's it. You go quarter mount on the bottom, on the back as well, cold shoe on the top, and yeah, simple. It's plastic. You go rubber where the phone goes. Is plastic, hard plastic, feels well built, and I love this. Sorry guys. You have the microphone. Microphone is all full of metal, so well done. I like the shock mount. As you guys can see, the shock mount. Yeah, I like it. So you mount that on top of your camera, for example, if you're using a camera, or you can put it on top of here, and then you can put the phone here. I'll show you guys in a minute. And yeah, I like it. I haven't tested the microphone yet, so we're gonna go outside and film with the microphone, and we're gonna test the sound of the microphone, and you guys are gonna tell me what you guys think. Like it. Oh yeah. And you got a spare rubber, so if this one's on a mount, on a shock mount, I don't know, break for some reason, you got a spare here. Yeah, I do like it. What else? Sorry guys, I keep going down, up and down. I got everything on the floor. We have a microphone cover. No, with his finger, sorry guys. And the windshield. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna use this outside as well, and we're gonna see the difference with windshield on and without the windshield. You have a bunch of cables, you come in this little bag, nice little bag. You got USB-C to charge your light. I'll show the light in a minute. And we have, not this one, but we have for the camera and for your phone. For the phone, if you're using iPhone like I am, you have to have this little cable, just because they haven't sent it one, and we all know that the iPhone now is on the bottom is a lightning cable. And now let's take this off here so I can show you guys. It comes with this, so I don't know, I don't like it. I have to be sincere with you guys, I don't like it. But it's well made, and it sticks, and I'll show you in a minute. But I think it makes the whole kit a bit bulky, and if you are going outside and want to vlog, you want to be discreet, and you have this sticking out with the light. I don't like it, but it's another ways to get around, and I'll show you. And then you have the light. The light is big. I would like probably the smaller light, like the Rode. The Rode is the smaller light, but it's big, but it works well. As you guys can see, I'm blind now, but as you guys can see, it works properly. You got so 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You can dim it. As you guys can see, I'm blind now. I like it. I like the light. You have on the back, you have the battery indicator and the port Type C to charge. Well done, Type C. And like I said, is a way to get around with the light not using this. And the way is, you put this on the top, and on the side of the light you have, or on the top of the light, for example, you have a cold shoe mount, and then you don't need to use this. For example, you have another 1, 2, so it's 3 cold shoe mounts around the light, and this is well thought. Well done, guys. Well built. It's plastic, but yeah. Right now, gonna show you how is the kit. The way I like it. I don't like with this one. I'll show you as well with this one, but I don't like with this one. So imagine it's quite big already. Imagine if I have to put this one here. You see, it will stick here, and then you can put the light. Okay, I don't like it, but yeah, you can do it. It works, but it makes it like too big for me. But yeah, it works. So I like it like this way. So, and you can put on the side or on top. I like it on top. Let's do it on top. You put the phone. So hang on. Oh my god, love it. So you put your phone like that, and then you just press it, make sure it sticks. And now I have to adjust this because it's not. Because I'm vlogging, I like it like that. And that's it. And you guys can see, it's quite nice. It doesn't feel heavy, and yeah, it's quite nice to vlog like that. Okay, I would love to have the screen facing me, but the cameras on the iPhone, on the back of the iPhone, are the better ones. So that's the ones we're gonna have, and that's the ones you're gonna use. So I'm gonna go, and I'm crying already, guys. I love you guys. Right. Let's not forget something. Can you guys please subscribe? Just subscribe, okay? YouTuber? I don't want to, but I'm touching my microphone now. I don't want to, but I need to ask for that. So guys, subscribe, okay? YouTuber, subscribe. Right, move on. So yeah, so I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna test the sound of the microphone. I'm gonna do one with just with the phone, another one with the microphone. I'm gonna do with the windscreen, so you see the difference. And that's it. I'm going. I need to get up, isn't it? Okay, I'm going. Oh, hang on. This way. Oh no, it's that way. I don't know where to go. Oh, I need to turn the light off. Right guys, so I'm outside now and I'm vlogging. I got the grip, I got the light is off, and I got the ultralight lenses on iPhone. I'm hoping I'll be in the camera, and you're listening to the microphone, and I'm hoping the microphone is quite good. And that's it. It's freezing. I have the windscreen on, so hopefully you guys can see the difference. And just a thing I would love to is the fact, oh, dog. So the thing I would love to is the fact that if the tripod has like something to extend it, so it would be like that, because iPhones don't have the ultra light lenses. And yeah, so yeah, what you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And that's it. Yeah. Oh, now I don't know if you guys can see or listen, is a bit of a wind, so I'm gonna take the wind cover. Now is without the wind cover. Let me guys know if you got any difference, because the wind cover makes the phone, not the phone, but all of this bigger than it should be. So I would like to test without the wind cover and see if it has any difference. Let's put the wind cover back on. Right guys, with the wind cover back on again, let me see what you guys think about the sound. And now I'm gonna turn the light on. So this is with the light full blast. Yeah, probably it's a bit better, it's a bit brighter. I don't know if it's better or brighter. What you guys think? I'm gonna dim the light now. So like that. I think there's a car coming. And like that. Yeah, that's in the minimum. What you guys think? Let's put the light bright again. Yeah, with the light like that, I think the car is coming, and they will say, what the heck is he doing there with the iPhone and the light on? Well, I don't know as well. Sometimes I got the same thing, I don't know what I'm doing. Well, right, I'm gonna turn the light off because I'm getting blind. Right, now it's without the light. I'm crying again, guys. So what do you guys think? Right, now I'm gonna do the test just with the microphone sound, just with the iPhone microphone. So this is with the iPhone only. Let me know if there's any difference. Probably you guys can hear the wind now. And yeah, so this was with the iPhone microphone. Let's put back the kit one. And this is with the kit one now. Right guys, that's all for now. I'm gonna go inside again. It's cold, and I'm gonna see how was the video and see the difference about the sound, and that's it. Right guys, back here again. I've been checking the footage, and I'm amazed how this little microphone makes the difference, and I'm quite happy with this setup. And I think I'm going to start vlogging more with this setup when I'm doing like the earbuds reviews, for example. Sometimes I'm go out and I have to vlog a bit with the earbuds on, and yeah, I'm gonna use it. Look, I'm amazed how good the sound is and how easy it is to vlog with this one like that. So yes, it's a thumbs up for this. And yeah, guys, like always, I will leave link down below so you guys can check it out, and please use my link if you want to buy it. Even if you don't want to buy it, if you want to buy something else, you can use my link, and that will help the channel as well. Guys, it's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up in this video, share this video with your friends, and that's all for today. Stay safe. Right now, iPhones or we got a